Hey, what's up, everybody? Good to have you here. So, do you choose to stay inside the matrix or do you choose to get out? How can we really get out from the matrix and tap into our passion and wake up? And let me share with you a little story about that. So, it was around 4 to 5 years ago that I get a choice. Should I choose the really kind of simple solution, the blue pill, or the red pill? And that is where I was. I got injured in the army, as you all know. I got injured in the army 10 years ago, and what happened is I got a CRPS. That's a nerve that got tangled. It's a chronic regional pain syndrome that caused enormous pain to the section that got hurt. In my case, it's my leg. So since then, I walk on crutches, and I got on a lot of therapies. I've been in a lot of hospitals. And over the years, I kept giving the choice from the doctors, hey, cut your leg off. It will be much more easier. But I chose, oh fuck no, I'm going to fight for my leg. I'm not giving up on my leg. And they keep on telling me, choose the blue pill. Go ahead, cut your leg off. It's much more easier. So yeah, it may be the simple solution, because when they cut the leg off, there are 50% where it will not return. And that is not something that I was willing to leave behind. And yeah, I chose the red pill, where I fought for my leg for years and years. And I kid you not, for 2 years, because of the enormous pain, for 2 years it took me to put a sock. More 2 years to put a shoe on, and 2 more years to even get inside a water, inside of a pool, inside of the shower, because the enormous pain was there all the time. The nerve that got tangled was like constantly, even wind hurt. So even though I chose the red pill because I didn't want to give up on my foot and go on the easier selection, whereas the blue pill cut my leg off. And that wasn't an easy choice. Every time that I say no to the doctors, because there was moments when I said to myself, maybe I should cut my leg off. Maybe they're right. Maybe I can't go ahead. Maybe it won't work. Maybe I can't walk again. And still, with all those decisions that inside my brain, I kept on with the red pill. Get out of the matrix, wake up, and not letting other people decide on my fate, decide on what should I do. And in spite of what they said, I said fuck no, and I kept on going. I kept on going, I kept on growing, and today I walk around 400 steps and keep on going. Like I love to say, keep on going, keep on growing. So even though it was hard for me to do that choice, I'm sure that you have your moments in your life. And then it says, Eden, I love you too, brother. In those moments, I'm sure you have like decisions. Should I go from what I dreamed to do, what I want to do, or should I stay in my comfort zone, go study what my parents says, go study what the society says, become, I don't know, a lawyer, a doctor. If you love it, awesome. But if you don't love it and you're going to go and study and do those shit that you hate just because the society told you so, fuck that. Choose the red pill. Get out of the matrix. Wake up. Go with what is your passion. What are you passionate about? What you love? Think about it for a second. What is it that you love? What is your passion? What do you want to actually achieve in life? and make a success. You know what? I will share with you one more story here before we wrap it up. For years, I've been also in the solo ad industry, where I tried to make through, and I started to make some money, and I hate to be there because it wasn't me. It wasn't for me. I didn't love all the method there, like, kind of salesy stuff. I didn't like that. And for me, it was hard to keep on going and stay there. And then I chose again. The red pill. Go with mentoring. Go with what I love. Start teach people and help them grow as I grow myself. And my vision is to impact as many people as I can. That's why I keep on doing those videos. That's why I keep showing up and be there, because I want to really make a change and help impact as many people as I can. So if you like this video, share it with other people to get that kind of inspiration to go and do what they love, go and do what they're passionate about. So what are you choosing? Are you choosing the blue pill, or are you choosing the red pill? Comment below, what is it that you are choosing right now? Is it the red pill or the blue pill? Get out and wake up. Live your passion. Start to live your life with success and passion, or stay in your comfort zone. Stay what people tell you to do and keep on with the blue pill. Stay stuck in the matrix. What are you choosing? I would love to know about it, so comment below. Is it the red pill or the blue pill? Comment below, and again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up that I know that you like this video, and share it with people. Help me to cross that, to bring that information and inspiration to others. So again, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and if you watch it on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And I really appreciate you for being here. Invest your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Have a great one that was live on my group.